Cabbage is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family. It is loaded with vitamin C, calcium, iron, and potassium. One of its health benefits is its potential to heal stomach ulcers. Let's look at the ingredients that you need to make your cabbage juice. Obviously, you need cabbage, 2 well-chopped carrots, 3 glasses of clean mineral water, a blender, and a masher. Dice your carrots into small rounded cubes. Get your jug and add or put in the well-chopped cabbage plus the diced carrots in. Then add in the 3 glasses of water in the mixture and blend. Once everything is blended well, get your sieve and a bowl and let us now extract the cabbage juice from the mixture. There you have it, guys, your cabbage juice ready to be consumed. You can store the rest of it in your fridge. Make sure that you consume this cabbage juice for 3 weeks consistently. Also make sure that your diet is in check, no refined foods, no sugars, and also do a bit of intermittent fasting and your ulcers will be healed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please leave me a comment down below. Also, please subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one.